Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook, brought to you by iFOREX.
The change in the number of barrels of crude oil held in inventory by commercial firms during the past week came at 1.7 M, which is significantly higher than the expected minus 2.1 M. The change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers rose to 0.4%. The economic release is expected to support the Australian dollar. The change in the inflation-adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy increased to 0.6%, slightly higher than the forecast of 0.5%. High volatility should be expected for the Japanese yen as the outcome of the decision on asset purchases and commentary about the economic conditions that influence their decision will be released. The change in the inflation-adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the Canadian economy is projected to decrease by 0.6%, which will most likely drive the Canadian dollar lower. Apple shares head higher as the tech giant announced impressive earnings, surprising all market participants. The S&P 500 is expected to continue gains as US economy grows 2.3%, according to the Atlanta FED. In the early morning, BOJ Outlook report along with the Japanese monetary policy statement will be released at 600 GMT, followed by Canadian GDP, RMPI and US advanced GDP data at 1330 GMT. At 2100 GMT, EBA bank stress test results will be released.
Thank you for joining us for today's market review, brought to you by iFOREX, your all-in-one trading platform.